welcome back. We're gonna see if we can get through this. It is late and I'm gonna try to knock this out. So I downloaded Git Bash. So hopefully you guys have that. Oh, geez. Oh, can you guys see that? I bet you can. So let me change this to C colon. Come on. All right, so I'm in the C drive. There we go. It went 2 up. I didn't want it to go 2 up. Anyways, I'm gonna build a directory here. We're gonna do users / administrator. All right, so I'm gonna create a directory. Well, go to documents. There we go. I'm gonna make a directory and I'm gonna call it SonarQube code. Let me do this. Make a directory and call it source code. And then cd into source code. And then make a new directory and call it SonarQube. And then cd into SonarQube. Perfect. Now we need to do a git clone on, oops, oh geez. Do that right there. Let me see here. github.com/Jeffrey J. Seaman PPU. And I'm going to go out to my repository. It should be right here, SonarQube. Click on code. Click on this URL right here, copy it. You have to paste it. You can't do paste in your on the keyboard. You have to physically paste it from the mouse. I don't know. I don't get it. It's gonna ask me for a username, maybe not. Because it's a public file, so it won't ask you for a username, so you should be fine. So if I do an ls, and now if I come down here into documents, source code, SonarQube. Oh, it has that. Okay, cool. There is a setup right there, and that's the code. So for some reason I couldn't download Atom in here because it's on the server, but whatever. I can use Notepad. So I'll come into open with try something from a PC. Notepad's fine. That's how I started in programming. All right, come on, here we go. All right, we'll leave it JavaScript because that's what I have. I'll create a project called JavaScript app. Everything's fine, so I don't have to change anything here, which is fine. All right, so that first part is done. So now I'm gonna go into this tutorial, download what I need, guys. All right, so we need the scanner. Oops. Where do I have it at? Download scanner. And this is also on your local host, so we're on 64. So I'm going to click on this, and we're going to do that, which is the command line interface scanner. And let's go over to downloads and extract that real quick. Right there. So I just downloaded that. Extract it. I'm going to take all this crap off here because that's too much stuff. And I'll take it like that. That's probably why I don't remember it before. All right, so now I'm extracting this. I'm trying to remember what else I need here. All right, so this should be my bin and Sonar scanner. All right, so that'll be my file that I have to run. All right, so that's good. Let's go back to GitHub and see what else we're missing. All right, so we need to I think we have our code. Okay, so I think we need to do the environmental variables. Sorry, I can't talk. So what I need to do here is I need to go to the directory where I have the source code at. So I just have to do this. cd into documents directory. I need to go into the source code. Oops. I'll make this a little bit bigger for you guys to see. All right, there we go. Or directory C. All right, wrong command. All right, directory, there we go. All right, so CD and SonarQube. There we go. We're in the directory. I thought I CD into it. It must be double one. Yeah, okay. All right. So let's clear this. Let's paste our environmental variable there. Oh, I didn't recognize it. How about that? Export is not internal. All right. So let's see if I could do it from here. That's interesting. So this is good because this might not work on the PC. So let's see. We're under source code. All right, so let's try it here and see what happens. All right, so it worked on there. So maybe I can make it work in GitHub, Git Bash. It might be a Unix command and it doesn't work on DOS. All right, so that seemed to work. All right, so we have, I'm trying to think what we're missing. Oh, we need to set up a project, duh. So let's go down here. Let's go back over to my account. This has its lag every once in a while, it gets laggy. All right, so let's go to project. We need to create a new project, so over here, add manually, I'm gonna call it JavaScript. And click setup. Generate token, I'll just say PPU. Boom, generates a token. There we go, the token there. I'll choose my code language, JavaScript. This is Windows. I'll download it to the bin folder. All right. Well, that got the environment up and running then. So we got our projects out here. All right, we got rules are working. Okay, cool. So now I have to see if we could get Sonar Scanner to run. So this would be this part right here. So remember when I went to class, I typed in Sonar Scanner. It worked. Let me see something, guys. Let me see where I had that running at real quick. Oops, I just lost my screen. Oh, that's not good. All right, let me pause this for a second while I find my screen. All right, so I'm wondering if this is even going to work in DOS, because I have a feeling it's not, but it should be. I'm trying to think if I missed something. We have that connected. All right, let's see here. So I think what we need to do is, let me go to documents. I think it's under here. Or no, it's not. It's under apps, SonarQube setup. Oh, hold on. Did I forget to download something? Okay, it's under here. So it's under this directory here. That's where we want to be at for to run it. All right, so let's do directory here. CD into SonarQube setup. And it's under, okay, it should be, so you should be in this location right here. So this is where you want to run the scanner at. So let me clear it. Now, like I said, I don't know if it's gonna, I notice that it loses volume when I do that. So Sonar Scanner. All right, I figured that would happen. All right, so it doesn't recognize it. Beautiful. All right, I don't think it'll work in here. I really don't. So let's go into SonarQube setup. Oops. All right, so let's see if it works in here. All right, not found. Let's try window bash. So this is all trial and error. So it's a good thing I'm trying to run on Windows, because Mac it works easily. But it's giving me some issues here. But maybe I forgot to do something as well. That's also something I'm curious about. We know the service is up and running because we're able to access it. We set our variables, which we just did. Get to the host and run it. Sonar scanner. I'm trying to think if it's, no, this is what I did in here. Is it different in Windows? And you know what? It might be. Now I think about it. I think you have to run it from here. But let's do this while we're out here. Let's just go directly to the file and see what happens if I click on it. Now, it looks like it's running, and it ran there, but did it run out here? Let's see. Everything's different. It's not analyzed yet. Configure analysis. All right. So that means that it didn't run. So that's a problem, because you have to run it under the folder. So let's do CD documents. This might be a continued video because I might have to do some research, guys. How many effing times I have to do that? All right. All right, there we go. So let's do sonar scanner. Oh, this might be it. I was sitting there thinking about it. It didn't work. Is not recognized. Name of the function. All right, let's take a break. I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna do some research. It's midnight. What type of research I do at midnight? So maybe if I follow some directions here, it does show here the directions. I grabbed this from another site and added it in here. If you're using Windows, we want to go to Control Panel. So come down here, Control Panel. So what I tried to show you how to do, reason I couldn't get it to work is because we're using a PC and not a Mac. Mac, it works fine. So we want to find environmental variables. There we go. Edit environmental variables. So we want to do a new environmental variable. I can't talk. So we want to do where our sonar scanner is located at, and we want to do one for where SonarQube's located at. If I got that right. Let me think about this. All right, so let's go here. Sonar scanner is here. It should be according to this, the Windows in the bin folder. So it would be this. So I'm gonna copy this here. Do new variable name. Call it sonar scanner. And this will allow us to link over to there and make that call, hopefully. And I'll go to this folder. Okay. And then the other one is add sonar server. I don't know if we need this. And that would be where sonar server's at, which would be right here. I think it's getting late, guys, and I am tired, and I'm trying to help you guys out the best I can. So I hope you appreciate it. All right, bin Windows. Is that the same thing? All right, that's not right. That is. So if you're using Windows, it'll be this bin Windows. Yeah, cool. So this is sonar server, so I'll copy that. Perfect. All right, so let's see if it recognizes us now. I'll do it under DOS. I think it was center scan. All right, am I doing it right? Center scanner. Get it right. All right, so it doesn't recognize it there. All right, all right. Let's see if I can do it here. I'm not sure if I can do it in Get. Doesn't recognize it there either. Jesus. All right. And it doesn't recognize it. Why does it not recognize it? All right. I am confused. All right. This might have to be a third video, guys. So I went out there and clicked on it. Looks like it started running it. It looked like it, I don't know. You know, I wonder if I could open it. You know what? I wonder if I went here and did it through here. Yeah, there goes my cat. And I know it didn't work because I don't think it worked. Yeah, because it's not picking up the code. So there's something weird not working. We set up the variables, so that should have hypothetically fixed it. See why things suck on Windows. Did we forget a step? You guys hear that noise? Hey, Jax. Shh. That's my cat go nuts. All right. So this can't be run through here. It has to be ran from where the code's at, which that's what I thought. Which the code is here. Our source code, SonarQube. Yeah. Cat. It has to be ran here. So I'm not quite sure why it doesn't like it. This is where it's supposed to run. Center scanner. It doesn't like it. I honestly can't make out what that old saying. The term center is not recognized. Yeah, I know. I know some of you were getting this error message, and it has something to do with environmental variables, but I don't know. You know what? I gotta call it quits. It's midnight. I need to go to sleep. So this is video number 2. Get you going somewhere, but we'll have to create another video, and I honestly don't know how my time works. So we'll figure this out. I'm hoping that you guys figure it out before I do. So use this as a way to dedicate yourself to try to figure out what the answer is, because from a Windows standpoint, I don't know right now. So I'll let you guys try to figure it out. Thanks for watching. Bye.